Welcome to Cesare Lomraso, your ultimate guide to mastering correctional administration. In this video, we'll tackle essential review questions designed to sharpen your legal knowledge. Correctional Administration Review Questions, Set 3, A. Are you ready to test your skills and ace your exams? Subscribe now for more law-related review content. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple-choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. During the primitive days, this punishment was given to criminal offenders by means of flogging, mutilation, maiming, disfiguration. A. Corporal punishment. B. Public humiliation. C. Death. D. Shaming. Modern justification for punishment, which concludes that society will be best protected if criminal offenders are rehabilitated. A. Reformation. B. Expiation. C. Protection. D. Retribution. People would tend to believe that by putting the offender in prison, society is safeguarded from further criminal depredation. A. Reformation. B. Protection. C. Expiation. D. Retribution. He asserted that criminals are not free moral agents, but are products of traits and circumstances. A. Ferry. B. Garofalo. C. Lomraso. D. Beccaria. He contributed to the progressive system by dividing prisoners into companies and appointed prisoners as petty officers in charge and prescribes academic classes of 1 hour a day for inmates under 20 years of age. A. Manuel Montesinos. B. Dometz of France. C. Sir Walter Crofton. D. Z.R. Brockway. Established agricultural colonies for delinquent boys, and his reformation system is based on re-education rather than force. A. Manuel Montesinos. B. Sir Walter Crofton. C. Dometz of France. D. Z.R. Brockway. Chairman of the Director of Irish Prisons, he introduced the progressive system which attempted to place the responsibility for self-improvement on the prisoner himself through successive stages. A. Manuel Montesinos. B. Sir Walter Crofton. C. Dometz of France. D. Z.R. Brockway. He introduced the Elmira, a new institutional program for boys from 16 to 30 years of age. This system was based on parole and indeterminate sentence and referred to as the forerunner of modern penology. A. Manuel Montesinos. B. Dometz of France. C. Sir Walter Crofton. D. Z.R. Brockway. For minimum security institution, the purpose of fencing the surrounding is A. To keep away the civilian population from entering the institution. B. It is designed to prevent escapes. C. It is designed for agricultural purposes. D. It is designed to facilitate open view of the surrounding. Inmates placed under a super security facility are considered as A. Incorrigibles, B. Escape artists, C. Chronic troublemakers, D. All of the foregoing. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.